What you are seeing right now is an application that is entirely AI generated. Today I want to test the capabilities of AI and see if it can recreate popular applications and video games. Let's start super simple and make AI generate a Spotify clone. We are vibe coding the next Spotify. This code took like 7 minutes to generate, and just look at how long it is, okay? The code that ChatGPT generated is 1769 lines long. Okay, and this is our Spotify application. Let's see, do we even have sound? That sounds super weird. Wait, we can even reduce the volume, so that's great. This sound is so painful to the ears. Let's check out others. They all sound very similar and they are all very painful. But we have 4 songs in total, it seems like. Let's see what other features we have. What is that symbol? Is that how you draw a heart? It's like such a weird shape, okay. Let's add that to favorites and drag and drop audio files. Let's go to sound effects and let's import this one. Added 1 tracks, jingle, local library. Repeat. That is my sound effect, okay. This one came from my computer. So let's just add this song to favorites as well and shuffle. And shuffle means it picks a random song from the playlist, okay. Yeah, and it also tracks how many times I have played the song, and let's delete some songs as well. This gets a thumbs up. This is honestly actually quite impressive, I think. And let's press enter. It's going to take a while. About 7 minutes later, we are also done with this one. And this is all the code. This one also has like 1656 lines. Nearly the same as the previous program, okay. The design seems quite similar to the Spotify clone that we just saw as well. What is that sound? There's like a slight sound when I zoom in to the map and when I zoom out. And we can see coordinates right here, but where actually are we? Let's go to New York. One feature that I just noticed, I can press and it's gonna add some pins. Yeah, but the map itself doesn't seem to be working. Streets. We can toggle between street view and satellite view. This is not exactly Google Maps. There's like coordinates and everything, but that's about it. So for this one, I'll have to say that our Google Maps clone kind of failed. So let's just drop in this prompt in ChatGPT and press enter. While it's actually generating the code, what I entered for the prompt is that, of course, there's swipe left and right for user cards, there's likes and matches and numbers of matches, pretty much like the Tinder you know already. And it should be pretty fine. Let me skip forward. Okay, and now the Tinder code is also finished. This one is noticeably shorter than the previous ones. Only 1274 lines of code. ChatGPT generates everything in sort of like a very similar design. Why does it say ribbit? View. I can see that I have likes, matches. What is left? Oh, it's how many swipes I still have left. Okay, I will steal your fries. I don't like you. Oh, and there's buttons as well. And God, these icons are so weird. It's a match. Oh, and there's odds as well. Out of cards, I have swiped everyone. So this is very basic functionality. The Tinder clone gets a thumbs up from me. So let me just paste in the prompt. Let's click on enter. This is my prompt. You can run, you can jump, you can collect coins, difficulty, pretty much like Mario, basically. 2D platformer game, also done. This one has a bit more than Tinder, but still less than the other two, the first two. And this is our video game. Okay, you got bonked. Retry. So let's play it. I can jump twice. I can do a double jump. And these are enemies that we should not be touching. Level 2. And I can feel that okay, level 3, I can feel that my character is moving faster. And this is very, oh my god, no. It levels up quite quickly, and these enemies are also super annoying. I'm trying to talk and focus on the game at the same time, and it's just so difficult. When I touch the coins, there's sort of like an animation, like a slight shake effect. That's cool. This is a fully AI-generated video game, and it's so difficult. I don't even know how many levels do we have. Yeah, but this game is actually pretty entertaining. This could be a mobile game or something. And what even is that main character? It's like a jar or something, like a pickle jar, I don't know. It also doesn't seem like I can do anything with the coins, so you just mindlessly pick up the coins and they don't really matter. This is like an upgraded version of the Google Dino game. And there's even character animations as well on the main character. I think the enemies spawn in such random places that it kind of messes it up. Level 4, level 5. How the either I suck at my own vibe-coded game or it's just way too difficult, I don't know. Yeah, but this is actually fun. This gets a massive thumbs up from me. Mini 3D Racer, let's enter it. Pretty much just Mario Kart. Okay, and once again, the code for our 3-dimensional game is done. This one has the least amount of lines of code, actually. Avoid the obstacles for 3 laps, speed increases, high score saves locally. Start. What is this sound? What? Okay. What is this sound? You got bonked. What am I supposed to do here? What is this? Wait, maybe let's turn off the sound effects because they are so painful to the ears. I don't know. Okay, I'm supposed to avoid the purple blocks and the orange blocks. And sometimes I spawn right into the block and lose immediately. There's some kind of tips. Tip, obstacles do not respect your vibes. What does that even mean? Controls, steer, boost, brake. Oh, we can brake as well. Let's try. So I'm trying to brake. It doesn't... Oh... I can't tell if anything is even going on. But how am I supposed to avoid these obstacles? There's way too many of them. What is this blue block that is just coming with us? Tip, the road is wide, your self-control isn't. I do not think that this road is actually wide. Okay, I'm done with this. I am so done. This one kind of didn't work the way I wanted it to. So this one was a flop. Last but not least, what I want to generate is a 3-dimensional first-person shooter type game. Counter-Strike Classic or something. Let's just press on enter so that it starts generating. Few minutes have passed and we also have the code for this one. And this one has 1524 lines of code. Don't let them hug you. What? Don't let them hug you, okay. Okay, this is like a children version of Counter-Strike. Lock mouse. Okay, so you have to lock the mouse. Which ones are enemies? You got skill issued and it's the skull face. Try aiming with your eyes next time. That's smart. Apparently I'm shooting, but I can't see what am I shooting. Oh, I'm losing health as well. Someone is shooting at me, but I can't tell who and who is the enemy. I'm shooting something, but it doesn't... Why can't I respawn? Oh, it's because I have health 0. So I kind of have to refresh the whole code. Why am I losing HP? Can I shoot? Okay, I think I shot someone. Can I shoot this big guy? Or is that like a part of the terrain? Or is it a bad guy? So this game also is kind of like a flop. I was expecting something better, but unfortunately it didn't match the expectations. Please let me know if you want a part 2 of this video, because this was so much fun. This was so interesting to see what AI can do, and I'll see you next time.